Hi everybody. Today I am working on another Halloween wreath. I started this and then when I was about to stop the recording and say I'll be back when it's done, I realized I was not recording at all. So here's what I have so far and I'm gonna finish it. So I'm using I think this is the apple, I think it's called apple. It's a really pretty green. I mean you can't, okay, wait. Kinda, maybe. And this is a orange, green, and purple foil mesh. I bought 2 rolls of it. I bought this, and I was like, oh my god, that's such a mess to work with, and then I bought it again. So, I mean, it's really pretty. It's just, you know, not the easiest thing to work with. So I'm doing ruffles. What did I do? Yeah, I did ruffles on the bottom. And then I came back with some Cruffle woodland, I think they're Cruffles. I think the woodland ruffles are 30 inches. I think I finally figured it out after all this time. And I think I'm going to go in and add all my green first and then come back. Now I'm doing my ruffles on top. I mean my cruffles or curl ruffles, whatever. This mesh is like dense, like you can't see through it, but the actual mesh itself is really thin. And I'm putting them curl side down. Just kind of like that. I thought I had enough to do like a black base and then put this on top, and then I was like, I didn't have enough, first of all. And I was like, what if I did it with this green that I bought for Christmas? And I'm glad I did, because it looks really nice. Well, that's a pretty good base, huh? And now I will put, do I want to put my tubing in first, or do I want to put my ribbons in? I think I want my tubing and then I'll put my ribbons on top. No, I think I want my ribbons and then my tubing. I cut these just at an angle because I'm tired of having to like recut dovetails because they're never right. So I was like, let me try this. If I hate it, I won't do it again. And if I love it, I'll do it all the time. And to even, you know, to get the middle of these, since they're not cut right, I'm just lining them up so where, you know, there's an equal amount of triangle on the end. Does that make sense? No. Oh, well, sorry. Mesh tubing. I have this in purple and in green. I'm tired of these bag noises. But I'm saving the... I have orange and black too, but I'm saving the orange for another wreath. I mean, I got like 4 bags of it, but still. How did I already lose the end? Okay. Is that what we did before? I think. Maybe we'll become YouTube friends and they'll invite me on their next vacation. They'll be like, sir, you can't drink and use that glue gun at the same time. And I'll be like, shut up, perfect. Me and Michelle should do a family vacation. I mean, I would definitely probably end up killing her and her children. Definitely her husband. Well, maybe not. He's quiet. I like that. I don't know if he can barbecue though. Probably not. I don't think he's good at like doing dead stuff. I could barbecue, I could figure it out. So I'm taking these, pinching like a 1/2 inch down. Look how off these are. Maybe that's why I have like so much of one and like none of the other. Crossing them over, stretching it out just to get it even. And then these are going in here. I don't know why, like whenever I see like tubing, I'm like, that's for Halloween and that's for Halloween only. But lately I've been like, I want to put that in everything. Like I bought a bunch of the red and green fall tubing because I don't like the red and green Christmas tubing. The fall has like the red's nicer. The green is, it's not as bright as this, you know, it's a little muted. More moss, less apple, I guess. Okay, so this is my base, and I have to make some things to go in here, that's what I'll probably do. I'll probably lay in bed on my laptop and design some stuff and design space for the Cricut, and tomorrow I'll be able to cut it out and come back here and see what's going on. And I want this. I think up here, because there's like a lot of green up here. I want it like there. And y'all know how much I always struggle with getting these signs in, so I'm just gonna kind of get it in where I think I want it. At least get it poked through the mesh, and then tie. Oh, am I gonna get it poked through the mesh though? we at now? I'm gonna add my bow. This is a bow I made, I don't even know how many months ago now. I think I made it in like June when I got the Pro Bow, which I haven't touched. Sorry, Pro Bow. Ain't nobody got time for that. I almost used it when I made my double door wreath, but I was like, So this is my bow that I made. It's got the purple ribbon in it. It's got some polka dots. So I was like, am I gonna make another bow, or am I gonna just use this one that's been hanging on my wall? And still somehow managed to like flatten out. I keep getting it right here. Yes. Also have this big pumpkin. Oh, not really big. I hate the way Dollar Tree does these, because like you can cut the thing off, the little tag thing. You can cut it off, but maybe it'll leave something sticking out, or you can leave it as is and try to pull it through, but maybe it'll rip the pumpkin. Burning myself, burning myself, burning myself. What is going on with this bow? Okay, that is cooling in there. We're gonna go right in here. This pumpkin's like a little coppery, but I think it'll be fine. I think my only other option there was a velvet pumpkin, and I don't think that would work. Oh my god, these freaking lights. These look stupid. Do they? Like my bow's not looking down anymore. The last couple wreaths I've done, I'm like, what is wrong with these bows? They just like, they look like they're staring at their feet. Okay, I think that's it. I have some roses that I could put in here, but I think I'll leave it at that. These frays are killing me. I keep meaning to grab my my lighter, but I have like no control with the lighter, so I think I'm gonna try I have a hot knife for cutting styrofoam, and I also have a wood burner that I think if I just kind of run it along there, it'll kind of singe those edges. Whew. Okay, so there it is. That's a pretty quick wreath. I mean, I know I talked the whole time, but I mean, I definitely could have had it done in an hour and a half or hour or something like that. I don't know about these. These might not be there in the final pictures. Oh, maybe they will. I don't know. They just look like they don't know what they want to be. Is that better when they got a little bit of a bend to them? Okay, so thanks for watching. If you watch the long version, thanks. If you watch a short version, thanks. I'll see you guys later. Bye.